Kima Pictures celebrated its first birthday party. Student organization Kima Pictures celebrated its first birthday on November 15 at the Cartel nightclub in bloody Chicago style. Kima Pictures celebrated their first anniversary, and in honor of our birthday, we offered to our guests to plunge into the atmosphere of 1920s and 1930s, said the president of organization Aset Utigaliyev. The birthday party was in mafia style. There were free cigars, cigarettes, and alcohol drinks. Yes, the party was one of the best parties that I have ever been to. The style of this party was different than the other parties that were organized by KIMAP organizations. There were lots of people. Mostly I like the united team of KIMAP Pictures. They gave us lots of fun and a good mood. I think the next birthday of this organization will be even better. The team leaders made a great job, and a big thank for such kind of party, said one of the guests, Aynur Serik. The party was very funny. The dress code of guests was very interesting. All of guests were in clothes of 1920s and 1930s. The guys were in black suit costumes and hats. Most of guys had toy guns as in gangster films. Ladies were in black dresses and looked very sexy, said another guest, Shirin Tulutaeva. No one of our guests went home without any gifts. We provided our guests with fun and a good mood. We were supported by our sponsors such as the betting company Profit, a travel agency Fun Travel, and a cinema chaplain, Aset Utigaliyev said.